Hello everyone, so in this video, let us find and talk about the problem of detect capital. So the problem statement goes like this, that we define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases hold. Okay, so if any of these condition holds, then the use of capital in that word is correct. The conditions are all the letters in the word is like in the capital letters. So as you can see, if all the characters are uh, in the word is capital, that's the first condition. The second is all the letters in this word are not capital, so all of them are small letter, and only the first letter is capital and the rest is small. So you are given a word, as you can see, and you just have to return that whether it has the correct usage of capitals. By correct usage means that either all the letters should be capital, all the letters should be small, or the first letter should be capital and all the letters should be small. So these are the three conditions. You just have to check that. So it's very simple now. You just have to check like in the very brute force way, like these three conditions, and the conditions are also very small. The constraints are very small, so you can do this in a very brute force way. So what we will be doing in this problem is that we will just write down individual functions to check out whether it is a capital letter or a small letter. You can also you could have also used inbuilt functions by C++ as well, but I've written down the custom functions. So what I've done is that we have to check three conditions. Okay, the first condition is that whether it is all lower. So this function is lower. We'll check that whether all the letters in the word are in the lower case. So is lower, we'll just iterate over this whole string and check that every character inside string that I have done a for loop should be greater than equal to small n, less than equal to small z, which means that it is only of small type, small letter type. If it is, then it is continue, else if it is not, then return false, that it is not of a small type, and return false. And if everything is of small letter type, return true. Similarly, it's an upper letter case for capital A and capital Z. Now the conditions are either it is all small, it is all upper, or the first letter, as you can see, that the first letter is capital. And so this is the three conditions. One condition is this, one condition is this. The other condition is that this should be like the first letter of the word should be capital, and the rest we will find out a substring from the second index, which is I equal to 2. Oh sorry, I equal to 1, which is like index equal to 1, which is like the second character, because the first character is capital, and from the second character, which is our index I equal to 1, from all the way to the end, all the character should be is lower. So we can just create a substring out of this word. Okay, just excluding out the first character, just take another substring and just check that it should be a small. So you can directly just check out is small using this function. It just takes a string. So just takes a substring out of this word and just check out whether all the other letters are small and the first one is capital. If any of these three conditions hit true, then the answer is correct, that it is following the capital rules, else it is false. That's the logic and the code part for this particular problem, nothing much complicated as well. But I thought to make a video on this because I'm trying to make a lot of videos on LeetCode problems. So stay tuned on this channel. I will see you in the next one. Keep coding and bye.